Hello, Chris at Melrose T-Tops. A quick introduction for those of you that are not familiar with us. We've been manufacturing replacement T-top and Corvette roofs from 1978 through present Corvettes. Today we're going to be covering 1997 through 2004 C5s. So when you first reach out to us, we're going to have some questions for you. First and foremost is if you have a good usable frame or core. If it's been dropped or if it's just showing signs of age, you most likely do not have a problem. If it flew off the car at speed, then you're going to want to check on the 97 through 04 roofs. 90% of the issues are going to be with this square hole right here. It's a weak spot. That's where you're going to want to look for cracks. Check the whole thing. However, we don't want to see you wasting your money sending us a roof that's got a cracked frame and we cannot use it. If you don't have a usable core, reach out to us. We might be able to help you. You can also check online, call the salvage yards, junk yards, see if you can buy one that you could send us. Otherwise, you're going to have to absorb the core fee. If you have a usable core, you have two options moving forward. This is a completely restored, refurbished unit. It's been inspected, frame's been sanded, repainted, new weather strips, all the hardware's checked, bushings are replaced if need be. This is obviously going to be a little more money than a relens, just because of the time and parts involved. For the relensing service, you're going to need to send us your roof. Once we get it, we will inspect it, tag it with your name, and we'll call you if we've got any questions. But with that service, all we're going to do is replace the lens. You do have options to add new weather strips and new drip channels, the side trim, which you can do on our form, website, or at time of checkout. So a lot of our customers have questions or concerns of how to get their roof to us for repairs. We do offer a box and prepaid return label option. At the time of this video, it's $135. We're going to send you a box with a label to get your roof back to us. You're going to get the box. It's going to look a little small. Just slice the tape, expand it open. Inside, there's going to be packing foam large enough to wrap around your roof. Get your roof wrapped up, packed up, put the label on it, drop it off at the ship store, whatever the label's for. Typically it's UPS store. We suggest you taking advantage of the box and label route. It simplifies matters on both ends. When you purchase this option, we're going to send you the box. You don't have to worry about hunting one down. And it's also going to come with some paperwork that you're going to be able to retain some of the records for yourself. It's going to have the date, a return number, stuff like that. At the bottom, you'll have options to choose from, the a la carte items, edge trim, weather strip, so forth. Everything's clear, straightforward. We have all your contact information. The last thing we want to do is get a roof from someone with absolutely no information, and then we got to wait for that person to contact us. Last but not least, when your roof is complete and repaired and we ship it back to you, it's going to be shipped in a double corrugated box. It's going to be insured. It's going to have foam corner protectors, inserts, and wrapped in foam and covered with protective film.